Just landed 2025 Toyota Sienna XLE Plus, 8-passenger, Braunability side entry, XI, handicap wheelchair conversion, power side entry, in-floor ramp with the new Wayfinder system. As you can see, it's lit up, all LEDs. Beautiful, beautiful. Just landed, 11 miles, brand new 2025 Toyota Sienna XLE Plus, fully loaded out, leather sunroof, gorgeous condition, brand new. We are a Braunability service center and dealer located in Boca Raton, Florida. You know where to find us, 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. We got financing available. We can ship anywhere in the United States. Any brand new vans, we can ship anywhere in the United States. We will price match guarantee any other dealer on any brand new Braunability product. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Happy to help at any time. We can do any adaptive controls, hand controls, tie downs, easy locks, Q locks. Just let us know. We're happy to help. Our service center is one of the best in the country. We do Paravan, adapt solutions, anything you need, we can do it. Gorgeous rubber floor, comes with a Q-straight tie down system. Obviously, I'll show you, it does come with 4 Q-straight retractors. This has the new folding footrest, which is very nice. Sunroof, gray leather, celestial gray metallic exterior, beautiful color. This is one of the best colors on the Sienna. Very nice in any weather, climate. New Sienna has a big screen. 13 original miles, excuse me. It is brand new, of course. Dual power doors, fully loaded out. Dual air, dual power doors. Alloy wheels. Gorgeous. 2 keys. This is the way they come. Again, we are a Braunability service center and dealer. We take anything in trade. Any type of vehicle we can take in trade. Motorcycles, cars, boats, doesn't matter. And we can do anything long distance. If you need help, we have over 30 different banks that we deal with. We will price match guarantee any other brand new Braunability dealer on this product. Feel free to call us anytime. As you can see, the new lighted runway system, it's beautiful. (954-561-2499). We are the absolute best in the mobility business. 48 years in business. Only 5-star reviews. We treat everybody like family. Boca Raton, Florida. Supreme Motors, SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. We are the best. Inside that bag, you got all your manuals, your Q-string tie-down retractors. Very, very nice setup. Everything comes with the van, ready to go. If you needed a transfer seat or any other options added, just let us know. We can help you get those installed. We have some of the best techs in the industry, hands down. Beautiful in-floor. (954-561-2499). Ask for Jeff or Ken if you have any questions. Gorgeous 2025 Toyota Sienna. Feel free to reach out anytime. Happy to help. Beautiful. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. Thank you.